Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another worship ministry training video. My name is Riley and I'm one of the content creators here, but I'm also a worship leader and I've been a worship leader for over 15 years. And today I want to show you a tech tour of my home church here in beautiful Monterey, California called Calvary Monterey. So I just want to show you guys around our sanctuary, our video gear, soundboard, all that good stuff. So come along, I'll show you. All right guys, we're back here at front of house and I wanted to show you our soundboard and our wireless units and some power stuff. So right here we have the good old faithful Allen Heath Avantis soundboard. For me, I really wanted good compressors, good reverbs, good EQs. Allen Heath is dope for all of that. And right here next to the board, we have our wireless units. So they're all Sennheiser. And right here is our big antenna, the RF venue. This antenna, it shoots out over the congregation to the stage and it never has any problems. Like I feel crazy saying that about wireless units or digital units, but it's been flawless since we've installed it. All right, in the front of house booth, we have a couple other computers back here that I just want to show you briefly. Number one is this guy. This is for our cameras. We have this little switcher right here, little Steam Deck switcher for the different cameras. But right here, this is our lighting computer. It's running Light Key, and this is our Pro Presenter computer. And we're running off a Mac Mini right now, which is working fine for us. I prefer something a little more heavy duty, just because if this computer goes down, everything goes down. This controls Spotify, Pro Presenter, and all our presentation stuff. So this is the front of house booth. One of my essentials for front of house is this binder. Now this binder is very special to me because it contains all of our team devos in it. So if you are a member of worship ministry training, you have access to all these too. So I just made a binder of all the devos that Alex wrote, and I put them all in this binder, and every Sunday I just grab one of them and I grab the whole team and say, hey, we're just gonna read this scripture, read this summary, do the prayer, and I sing a song with the team too, but this has been a game changer for the culture of our team on Sundays. So I just stash it right here, right next to our wireless units. It lives there, I grab it on Sundays, and it's perfect for our team. I love it. All right guys, we're now on the stage, and I wanted to start by showing you my side of the stage. This is the worship leader side of the stage. First of all, this is my guitar that I use. So this is a Breedlove acoustic electric. The church bought it for me when I was like 18 and I've still used it. So great guitar, has Fishman pickups in it, which everybody poo-poos on, but I think they sound pretty decent on this guitar. But this thing is what I really wanted to show you. So this is branded as the smallest MIDI controller on the market, okay? I don't know if people are really using this to do MIDI like programming in their computers live, but I use this thing for queuing up Ableton. I just started using this a week ago. I love it. I just taped it to my guitar. It's all wireless, Bluetooth. And basically I just cycled through my songs here. And it's amazing. I'll do another video on this controller later if you guys want that. So please leave a comment below if you want to see a review on this MIDI controller. It looks a little weird. I'm like R2-D2 or something with this thing right now. Like when you look at it, it looks so weird. I have this stand here. We've had guitar stands on all parts of the stage for bass players, electric players, me, and it's just kind of driven me crazy having them all around, and they break and everything. So I'll put my acoustic here, like an electric guitar here, and a bass here. And it just keeps everything in one spot. So if you're looking to declutter your stage, this is a great piece to have. Right here is our Ableton computer. I use this every single Sunday for my metronomes and all that good stuff. And again, it's controlled by this new MIDI controller that I have. I'm running it through the track rig by Loop Community. You know, I actually have from Loop Community the Loop to Miss. The foot switch, but it doesn't have enough buttons for me. I'm a buttons guy. I gotta have something with like 16 buttons on it. For our in-ears, we have this Allen Heath ME1 unit. So all of our band members on the platform have this in-ear unit. So this is the worship leader zone. And then the last thing I was gonna show you right here is I have a backpack for all of our binders and in-ears. If you're looking for a way to just like consolidate all your volunteer gear on Sundays, get a backpack. You will not regret just keeping everything in one spot. All right guys, we're here at the base rig. So we have this fender head and we have this heart key cab, which sounds great and really punchy. For me, you know, like I try to eliminate as much stage volume as I can, but for the bass, I gotta have just a little bit. And down here on the floor, I just have my guys running through one tuner pedal. And sometimes they bring their own pedal, but we have just one of these Korg pedals. Works great. All right guys, we're here at the drum enclosure, and this is a new thing for us. We got this drum enclosure. It allows our drummers to go bananas and for it to not kill anybody's ears. Like our grandmas in the congregation are not covering their ears anymore. This drum enclosure is part something that we bought and part something that we built. So the plexiglass is from a company called TotalDrumCage.com. And this is like $1,000, I think, for the shield. And then one of our guys in the congregation is a handyman, and he built the top and he built the sides and the back all out of wood. And you know, you try to buy like the real high-end drum enclosures like this, all of those are gonna cost you like upwards of 10K. This altogether costs us about $3,000. It's a great pitch to your leadership to be able to still get your drum enclosure without breaking the bank. Okay, here's our keys rig. Very, very simple. We have this Yamaha keyboard, which is kind of like a workstation. It does have its own sounds built in, but I run all of our sounds through this iPad right here, which is running Sunday Sounds. So I'll link a video below for the Sunday Sounds video that I watched to get this whole thing dialed in. And I think we'll put the gear for that in the description too, but there's all kinds of like little dongles and power things back here that I've taped to the keyboard so that all this works together. But basically we just run the piano through Sunday Sounds and it sounds awesome. So this is a very budget friendly way to get good tone on Sundays for keys. And it's been working for us. We love it. So here is our gear room. This is the room that I do not want to show you right now because it is a complete mess. But this is post Sunday. This is just the real life stuff, you guys. So right here we have a broken keyboard. We have stuff that's just hanging out in an elevator lift. This is not legal, guys. We have random stools back here. This is the room that nobody sees. So I'm just letting you behind the scenes, okay? There will be a video in the future of this renovated. Click subscribe for that. Here though, we have all of our music stands and cables. And then this is for measuring chairs. I don't know why this is back here. This is our digital snake. Down here we have the units for our in-ears, and then we have some power for the mains. And it's dirty, it's messy. This is just like, it's rock and roll, baby. This is Sunday morning stuff. If I care about anything, I really don't put it back here because it might just break, who knows. All right guys, and for my secret tip of the video, it has to do with our cameras. For us, we're always trying to figure out how we can get more chairs in our sanctuary. So trying to have like some big camera rig in our sanctuary was just not gonna fly with our leadership team. But we hired this company called Alive Media, and they offer this beautiful black pole basically on a platform with wheels that elevates a camera above your congregation. This camera is completely wireless. Like there's no cables on the floor from this camera. You know, you can put this thing anywhere in the room. It's amazing. For this, there's a lot of gear happening here that if I try to tell it to you right now, it's just gonna be way too laborious. So look at the link in the description below this video. We'll have all this gear laid out for you. Definitely something you should think about if you want pro cameras in your sanctuary. All right, guys, that's our tech tour video for Calvary Monterey's sanctuary. Please comment below. We'd love to know what helped you, maybe what you want to learn more about. And please click subscribe because we want to make some more videos to help you guys in the future lead worship effectively and with passion and with some tech know-how. So thanks for joining me today for this tech rundown. Again, I hope it was helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next video. God bless you guys.